Hello, welcome back to Bitcoin price prediction. I know a lot of other YouTubers kind of make this price prediction. I'm not that type, guys. I don't really put it in this channel, but I just want to make it since Bitcoin has been bleeding for the last probably a few months, as you can see from December up to now, January. November, in fact, not only December, it has been going downtrend. And this could be the turning point of Bitcoin, and we might see some reversal for the trends. And if you watch the previous video, right, I talk about bullish harami, a red candlestick and followed by this green candlestick body that is smaller than half of it, which is like a pregnant woman, which is why it's called harami. Okay, guys, probably you can see a pump right here, and probably it's going down a little bit. Probably we're gonna consolidate, or it could just goes up higher. And if we go to the coin market cap, right, you can see that some of the coins have started already pumping. For example, like Chainlink, Unis or Anus. I don't want to call it Anus. And then there is Internet Computer, Terra, Dash, Avalanche. And this was just a few percent, guys. Just now I saw it a few hours ago. Now they up 2 digits. This one, Chainlink, already up 2 digits. And you can see for the last 7 days, this one as well. And some of these coins are inside Royal Q. You guys know that we trade in the spot trading, okay, in the spot market. So definitely the market have a great sign of reversing. So I just want to share a good news here, guys. Probably gonna take a few days more to make all the profit that we are compounding, because we are playing with Sabin real time. Let's say you open right here, right, your first entry or your first buying amount, and then you will have your average price of first buying amount up until margin call number 4. So your average price is here, and then you have also buy, okay, sub buy, which is margin call 5th and beyond. You have this little buy, and once the market return, you will sell all those previous buy, okay, and will make profit around 1 to 2% depending on your trade settings. And we're gonna take profit all of this up until when the market rebound to the previous high in the November, or we could even get higher, guys, which is very exciting. And also I want to share to you that today I just added $300. It's actually yesterday, not today. Yesterday I add $300 into my spot wallet inside Binance because my USDT funds wasn't enough to cover the margin call drop. That's why I add a $300 right here. Let me show you on my phone. Okay, you will see today we make $3.8 out of a $3,000 capital. Okay, you can see I already put it in the sheets. We have $3,000 playing with 11 coins, and I just added a $300. And if I show you my Binance here and go to trades, P2P, I will see the transaction record. You can see I've completed here amount 299.90 USDT, which is $300. You can see the date. I just added it yesterday. Okay, this is almost 10th of January. And here's another tips, guys. I want to tell you this. When the market is down, okay, when the market is down like this, you will see the exchange rate is gonna be a little bit more expensive. Okay, you can try, just see it on your own, see it in your country currencies. You see the price, the exchange rate is gonna go up. So we actually lose a little bit from the exchange rate. I kinda lose, you can see right here. If I put out a calculator, right, normal price is 14,300, and the price I bought yesterday, if I show you the history, 14,538 guys. So minus 14,538. So I'm losing this much, and if I multiply by 300 USDT, you can see I was losing this much money. And if I convert it to USD, it's around $5, okay, from the exchange rate. Okay guys, $5 of the exchange rate. This is the amount of money that is losing from exchange rate. That's what I noticed from my experience. Every time I see market dumping, it's going to go high for the exchange rate. We're gonna lose money. So the better strategy is that you wanna have funds inside your Binance ready. So my advice is have a backup funds. Okay, I call it backup funds. At least 10%. I would say 10%. Let's say I have 3,000, right? I have 3,000, right, playing. I should have like 300 as a backup funds. And this is inside spot wallet. You probably want to keep this inside your funding wallet. Okay, inside Binance, your funding wallet. Because sometimes when the market drops terribly, you can transfer this funding wallet to your spot wallet, okay, to help you cover up the margin call drop. But you might be, we are greedy. I know everyone is greedy. So you might think, Eddie, why don't we just throw in the 300 now and let it work, man? Let it work, let it trade more coins. I know it's kind of more aggressive. You can, obviously you can. And if you are not worried about the exchange rates, then you can go ahead, play a little bit more aggressive. But if you want to be conservative, this is what you can do. For aggressive traders, you can buy more coins, not having any backup funds, okay? But you need to know that your exchange rate is going to go high when the market is dumping. Okay, you might lose a few dollars. If you put $1,000, probably you're going to lose. The difference in exchange rate, if you multiply by 1,000, is like 200,000, right? And I've put in 200,000 here. Okay, I lost $14 just from the exchange rate. But if you're okay with this, you can play aggressive. Obviously, the advantage of playing more aggressive with more coins, you have higher return. Okay, you have higher return because you play with more coins. You play with more coins, there are chances that those additional coins are in the uptrends and you are making more return. Thus, your daily profit is gonna go up as well. So definitely two things that you can consider. Sometimes if you are lucky, the daily profit is gonna outperform this, definitely. Especially if we are in the uptrend, probably we don't need a backup funds if we are in the uptrend. So this is only for a bear market, guys. This is definitely safer if we are in the bear market. But if we are in the bull market, okay, probably we're gonna go all in here. And again, of course, we don't put all the money in here. We just put a cold money. We need to set aside our emergency fund, our foods, our monthly expenses. We need to cover all that. This is just a cold money here that I'm playing. And hopefully this video can help you a little bit. And I will see you on the next video, guys.